Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Snells here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out that one. It is a very special custom made for my buddy Franklin. And here we go. Look at that. Got the Ukraine theme and Ukraine Navy. Yeah, right. So, real quick, going to be a quick sample because basically it's got one pickup. So not much we could do about giving you a whole bunch of sound samples. And it does have tapping, so we can go single coil on it. All the specs are over there in the description, and have at it. It is hot. I am sweating like crazy. And we got a cool little baritone for you to sample. So West Montgomery for you. Distortion? Let's do it. It was a really fun instrument to make, and I'm believing it's ready to get to its rightful owner, and that way you'll be able to hear real music played on this thing. So there you go. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.